Hey everybody, it's about 2:15 in the afternoon on this Wednesday, May 2nd. Well, I guess WWE is really going forward with this whole storyline with Brock Lesnar and Triple H and John Laurinaitis and so on. The reason being is because if you go to WWE's website, according to ringsidenews.com, and I'll provide a link in the description box, but according to ringsidenews.com, the WWE has posted a new storyline article up on the website looking at whether or not the board of directors may take legal action or may take action. Okay, basically this is what the article says at ringsidenews.com. The title of the article is WWE speculates that Brock Lesnar may take legal action against Triple H or the board. This was posted today by Emilio Estevez. And no, not the actor. Not the actor, just somebody that has the same name. Okay. Now, according to what this says, and I quote, this is the article off ringsidenews.com. WWE's website has a new storyline article up looking at whether or not the board of directors may take action against Brock Lesnar for his attack on Triple H this past Monday. They speculate that Lesnar's release papers may be on their way, but Lesnar's camp may take legal action because of contract demands previously made by John Laurinaitis. They wrote, and I quote, and excuse me, they wrote, and this is in bold print, and it has commas on it, and they wrote, adding one further wrinkle is the revised contract that Laurinaitis agreed to during the April 23rd edition of Raw. Among the new terms approved by the GM was a clause that waived any future fines or disciplinary actions against Lesnar. Triple H has already dismissed those additional contract perks as null and void, but could Lesnar's camp pursue legal action in the event the board of directors or Triple H comes down on Lesnar? WWE also speculates that the board of... on Lesnar. Okay, that was the bolded print of it. Now, it also says, in conclusion, at this article by ringsidenews.com, WWE also speculates that the board of directors may take action. The WWE also speculates that the board of directors may take action against John Laurinaitis for his role in the Triple H Lesnar situation. Okay, now what this is saying, storyline-wise, if you go, like I say, if you want to check out the link I'll give you here in the description box. Basically what this is saying is that, according to the storyline article at WWE.com, WWE is being storyline-wise speculation, that the board of directors may take action, legal action, if you will, against Brock Lesnar for attacking Triple H when Triple H was there as in his executive COO capacity. Now, on the other hand, they're also speculating that Brock Lesnar's side, his camp, could take action against the board in the WWE. Because even though Triple H null and voided the demands that were agreed upon on the 23rd edition of Raw by John Laurinaitis, even though Triple H null and voided them, Lesnar's camp could take legal action and say, look, if these are now in the contract, you have to abide by them no matter what. So basically what that means, and I know there's probably, if anybody knows anything about law, I know some people out there have a study in law business and all that, but basically what this means, if this was taken to court and Lesnar's camp could provide could provide suitable evidence that these are now part of the agreement, then Lesnar would have a case on his hand. Basically, Lesnar would win this argument, would win this legal action, and basically all the demands that Laurinaitis agreed to would become legal. In other words, Monday Night Raw starring Brock Lesnar would go back to being just that. Lesnar attacking people and not being disciplined for it and not being fined, that would also, come into play. That would also become a reality. Storyline-wise, that is. But that's basically what the storyline speculation is, that if Lesnar's camp has a suitable and viable argument and case in their favor, that if they win, then like I said, everything that Lesnar demanded and wanted, the private jet, the limo, the catering, the Monday Night Raw being known as Monday Night Raw starring Brock Lesnar, being able to do whatever the hell he wants without being fined or disciplined, that would all become a reality. Now again, the catch-22 on that from a storyline speculation point is, as they said, Triple H in storyline mode null and voided all those demands. Now, that could also play in favor of the board of directors, Triple H, and the WWE, because Triple H basically has the power to say, look, I don't want this. This is not what we agreed to. He has the power to override it. Now, the other part about this, the ending part about this, is it says WWE also speculates that the board of directors may take action against John Laurinaitis for his role in the Triple H Lesnar situation. In other words, they may take action and, probably, let's say, take away his job as general manager. Now, that could open up the door. That could mean Teddy Long would be general manager again, or, as much as people may hate to, may hate to hear it, that could open the door for Eve Torres, being the executive administrator, to step up and be the general manager. But we don't know. Now, from a John Laurinaitis legal standpoint, he could say exactly what he said to Triple H. He could say, look, Triple H and you guys, charged me with making sure the talent was happy and agreeing to any stipulations and perks that they wanted. Now, that could play in his favor because basically he's trying to make Brock Lesnar happy. But Triple H didn't see it that way. So, the thing is, that's the newest piece of information, if you will, that storyline-wise, the WWE, according to RingsideNews.com, has released on this whole situation involving Brock Lesnar, Triple H, and John Laurinaitis and the board now. Speculation-wise, that the board of directors, storyline-wise, may take action, I should say, against Brock Lesnar, or Brock Lesnar could end up taking action against them, and maybe John Laurinaitis could have action taken against him, or vice versa. So it's really interesting, and we actually have, and there are actually a few comments on here too. Let's see. Ryan Montgomery, 8 hours ago, said, a good turn on the storyline. Okay. He says it's a good turn on the storyline. A response to that is, everyone knows this will end in a match or matches between Brock and Triple H. Ryan Montgomery responds 7 hours ago, it would have been better for Lesnar to beat Cena than go on to beat Triple H and others, only to lose to returning Cena, but controversy is better. And then someone else, his name's John. And he's just talking about the whole Daniel Bryan deal. with CM Punk. So, but anyway, this top story there, and you can see it up there. It says WWE speculates Brock Lesnar may take legal action against Triple H or the board, or vice versa, and the same goes for John Laurinaitis possibly. So, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you think about this newest twist in this storyline. Anybody at the British Fist want to let me know? Off the Rope Show want to let me know? Anybody that's a wrestling fan, Effin' True Wrestling, you guys want to let me know? Give me your thoughts. Video response if you want. But tell me what you think about this newest storyline twist in the whole Brock Lesnar, Triple H board of directors, situation. Comment down below, and I'll talk to y'all later.